guys, it's Emily here. So I have a package today. I got this a couple days ago. I finally got time to sit down and film. So that's why I just have no more clothes on and no makeup, because I finally had time to film. So yeah, I got this a couple days ago. I'm super excited. This is from Military Crafting. I found her Instagram first and then her Etsy. And I love her stuff. She makes bows, mini bows, like keychain things. So cool. And then she also adds like your partner's last name to it, or your family member's last name to it. So I think it's super cool. Obviously my boyfriend is in the military. He's a Pennsylvania National Guard, so I'm super excited that I have this because I cannot wait to wear it. So yeah, so I want to check out, I want to show you guys her Instagram so you guys can check her out then. So this is her Instagram, and then she also has her link in the bio so you can check out her Etsy as well. So she has some really cool stuff, as you can see. That's her Instagram. Really cool. So yeah, I'm super excited to open this up. I didn't order this from her. I got this from another Etsy shop, but you can get some really cool military stuff. I got this, and it has, I did a video about this. It's like an army color bracelet, and it's stretchy, and then it has 3 charms, and I was able to pick up these charms. I have a like dog tag heart cut out, and it has 2 of them, and then this one says military wife, and then this one says National Guard. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, so I got this also Etsy as well. I forget who it was, but I will link down in the bio of me unboxing this, and you guys can check that out as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to open this up, so let's open it. And sorry if you guys hear sounds in the background. I have kitties in my room, so you probably can hear some sounds of them playing. There's one like right there, as I can see. I might have to use scissors for this. This is really... can't get this open. Only thing about watching videos of people unbox stuff is you get to see them struggling trying to get it open. Because it's always hard. But hey, at least you know that the people are very protected of your stuff that you bought from them, which is good. And plus, these are not sharp scissors. So that doesn't really help as well. So here we go. Oh my god, these look so cute. Okay. So first I see the mini bow. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Okay, this is her card. She sent a card. So that's cute. And then first she put the bow on the little like receipt thing, which is really nice. And then she's like, tag us in your photos or shop. And then it just says what I ordered. Ooh, why did it turn all dark all of a sudden? It says what I ordered. And also she had like she has discounts and stuff too as well most of the time. So I got like a good discount on this, so that's good. And I'm sorry for the darkness. I don't know why it's like that. Back, I had to fix the lighting issue. So yeah, so this is my bow I got. This is my boyfriend's last name. And it's super cute, and it's army print as well. Of course. You can pick the different prints out. She has Marine, Army, Navy, like, you know, whatnot, like all the military brands. So yeah. And this is so cute, and I asked her if she could not add any black to it because he doesn't have black on his like name tag. So yeah, I really like this pattern. I think it's really cute. So that is the bow, and I ordered a tiny one because the tiny ones are more my style. You can have ones that has lace or have a bigger bow that more like looks like a cheerleading bow. That's not really my style. I do like the lace look, but I kind of want to save that until I get married, so we're saving that. So I also ordered a keychain as well, so I can hang up. I actually want to hang it up on my wall and then have his military photo. So, ooh, this is cute. So this is the keychain. It's a little bit bigger than the bow, actually. Maybe it's just me. So this is a keychain. Really cute. And so It's kind of like the same pattern, to be honest. So I really like that, how she, you know, tried not to add black in it, because she didn't add any black to it. So that was really, really nice of her. So yeah, it's more like a tan color. It does have green to it. But yeah, so I really love these so much. They are so, so cute. And these are just like the cutest thing ever. I love them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just love these so much. They're so cute. So yeah. So go check her out. I will have the link below of the bracelet that I got from another Etsy show. And I also will have her like shop names. You guys can look her up then. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.